How's it going, guys? Today, as you might be able to hear, it is raining at our house. Our theory is that up high it's going to be snowing, and we're going to go do some snow camping. We have a little bit of a surprise for you today. We have another friend of the channel along for the ride. The boys are very excited. It might be somebody that you recognize if you've seen some of our content. We're going to take you guys along.
We just made it to the trail and we are about to air down the tires, so I thought I'd introduce our special guest. You will recognize him from our other videos.
Hi, how you guys doing? I have my little helpers here. I really don't do any work on these trips. They won't let me do any of it. So, and to be honest, because they're affiliated with you guys, they probably know more about this than I do.
We made it up the trail a few miles. Roads are way slushier than when we were out here last. Last time it was just fresh powder and 2 feet of snow. Now we just have our very typical Western Washington wet slushy snow, which is such a pain to drive in. You're just sliding all over the place. We'll just keep on going.
Why does my truck smell like it's burning?
It might be rubber, because we're digging down to the gravel. If you're giving it a ton of throttle,
Yeah.
it might just
That's
be,
why.
yeah, it might just be getting hot, right?
Okay.
Which is okay, it'll cool back down.
Cool.
This is a road we took last weekend,
Mm-hmm.
and it's just a grinder.
All right.
Back up, plow as far forward as you can.
Yeah.
Once you get stopped, back up again, plow as far forward. This is the definition of whiskey throttle. We've probably gone maybe 12 miles. We're getting to where Dan's struggling pretty bad. He's using a lot of power to get to where he needs to go. We found a little spur road. We're gonna cut off of this. It looks like it's pretty untraveled. So we're gonna go up here a little bit and then just set up a place to camp.
It's getting dark quick.
Yep, and then it'll get cold. Well, we just found our camp spot. Pretty cool. We got an awesome view looking down the valley here. It's just an old logging landing. We get camp set up. Of course, we just show up and it starts raining. So now it's time to get the awnings out, but should be a cool spot. Well, how's it going, guys? We are all set up. We got the tents out, got our awnings up, got our fire started. Everybody's cooking dinner. Dan's making some stir fry tonight, and Amanda is cooking up Alfredo pasta and steaks for us. Have some dinner, hang out by the fire. My suspicion, it will be an early bed night tonight. We'll probably just hop into bed so we can stay warm because it's gonna get pretty dang cold. For breakfast.
We are having donuts and my special hot chocolate. Best hot chocolate in the universe.
So nice warm donuts and hot chocolate for this chilly morning. Very good warm treat. We're almost packed up. We're putting everything away. We can't feel our fingers. Put the iCamper away, put the fire out, hightail it out of here. How's it going, guys? We are all finished up. We got off the mountain just fine. Dan played around a little bit. He was driving like a wild man. Yeah, we were able to camp in the snow in freezing temperatures as a family of 4 just out of our Jeep. So pretty cool. We are excited to be able to open up winter camping with our current setup. Thanks so much for watching this week. If you would like, you can always head down and leave a comment. Let us know something you'd like to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much.